Hi, my name's Timothy and this is
Tyler.
And we're here talking about the solar panel generator that we created. Alright, so inside here we have the solar generator internals. We have right here the Arduino Uno, which is controlling the power going outside the solar panel generator. This is a Stecker controlling the solar panel. Alright, if you take a look over here, we're going to be showing you the two inverters we have right now. This inverter is producing 300 watts of power, which is going into our house, which we'll show you in a second. And this inverter is for household items, such as lights and other things, 750 watt inverter. Alright, let's take a look at the front panel. Alright, so here we clearly see we have a front panel. We have the 120 volt outlet that you're used to seeing in your homes. Right now I have a lamp plugged up to this one, so you can see that, and we can demonstrate that you can turn it on, and there you go, we have light. You also have the USBs, 5 volts, so that you can charge your cell phones and other things. This is actually at 1 amp, a little bit faster than the normal 0.5 amp. And then we have the 300 watt to their house wattage that comes through this wire here, in which we're going to show you that goes straight to the house, and we'll show that in a second. And then we have a switch here that turns on and off the DC so that you can stop the charging of household appliances like this lamp. Now this won't turn on because we shut off the switch, but if we flip the switch, we'll be able to see that it turns back on. Alright. Now we're going to show you that the wire here goes straight to the house. We're going to just bring you around here and show you that, you know, this isn't some trickery foolery, but we really do have an extension cord going straight from this wire mess right up into the house. And all this does, once again, is just take 300 watts of electricity from the sun, bringing it into your house so that it lowers your electric bill. It's going right into a regular household outlet. This doesn't need to go to a junction box or your main termination connection. You don't need to get special PSE&G people to come out here, and you know, this is just a regular house outlet going into a regular outlet. So let's take a walk over here so you can see how easy this is. Regular outlet coming out of your solar generator. Regular termination for your house. All you do is you take the plug, you put it right in, you're done. 300 watts of power now going into your house from the solar generator, lowering your electric bill. Okay, now we're going to show you the Arduino. The whole brain of this operation, the microcontroller, is the Arduino Uno. And the way this circuit is set up, this is the relay, this is the hot. 120 goes here, 120 here. If that relay is closed, you energize both sides, and then everything can work externally. So all the electricity flowing out of the solar generator can work. If this is open, meaning there's no electrical flow, then there's no electricity leaving the Arduino Uno. Right now the red light indicates that there is flow. I built a test circuit so we can mimic like the battery is going dead. So here I'm going to now mimic that the battery is dying or going below 11.5 volts. And you see there clearly the battery shut off. Actually, I didn't do that. That was just coincidence. So right then I shut off the battery, and now the system is completely off. There's no electricity leaving the system, and we just have the solar Stecker charging the battery from the solar watt panel of 100 watts. So that means all the electricity is flowing into the battery at this point. When the battery then is 12.5 or 14 volts or whatever I set it to, then the system will then turn on just like this, like I'm about to demonstrate. I turn it down, now it thinks that it has 14.5 volts, and bam, it turns itself back on. Automatically, the voltage sensor circuit automatically senses the battery change and turns itself back on. So now we do have power once again at the terminals, where we can come over here and turn on lights like this. Just put it in. And we have power again. The power again, there we go. Yeah, so So that is the solar panel system. It'll be available in a store near you. Look for it in your local Toys R Us.